You got it from the title. I'm redecorating my room. The reason that I wanted to do this is because I'm such a hoe for aesthetically pleasing things that I decided to spend this much amount of money on things that have no purpose at all. Just kidding. The actual reason is actually me and my family have lived in government quarters for a really long time. My whole childhood has been in the government quarters, and you never know when you are going to shift or when your father is going to get transferred to another place. So whenever I said to my mom that I wanted to decorate this place or something like that, my mother would be like, जब खुद का घर हो जाएगा तब सजा लेना. And that was never going to happen until my father retired. So here we are. Because of this quarantine, I thought I have got time to do this, the thing that I wanted so long. So I should use this time to decorate my room. Why not? So I have some inspirations from Pinterest. I want to achieve somewhat closer to these ideas, but I know that I cannot achieve it in a similar way because my budget is really low. Let's see. I actually forgot to film before arrangement of this whole room, but I kind of have a few clips where you can see like this how my room looked. There is not enough space to even walk properly. Look at this. Seriously, our room looks like a great mess. I feel like I'm on a mountain of garbage right now because I'm so tired. I can literally chill on that garbage. So we decided to change the arrangement of this room. We were almost halfway through it, and then I remembered that I should actually suit it. So here we are, basically in the middle of it. So actually I was saying at that time that I am using this oil to move heavy things like the metal bookshelf. My sister just got afraid from lizard. She literally hates it. So the lizard situation happened again. I don't have the clip where I was painting the whole room, but I do have some snippets like this. I actually made a mistake while painting the wall because I didn't know that I would need more paint, or I should say that there are different kinds of paints which I didn't know. So it turned out that the white wasn't that solid on the wall because the blue was still visible in some places, and because this was a base paint, what it is. I will show you the clip. I actually forgot what it was. So then I researched that there are 3 kinds of paints: water based paint, and oil based paint, and an acrylic paint. And from 3 of these paints I used a water based paint, which almost requires 2 to 3 layers, but I only had 1 can, so obviously I wasn't able to do that. Dumb me, I should have researched it before. So while I was doing the makeover of my room, I literally saw thousands and tons of makeover videos, and guess what? I saw all of them in fancy clothes. So I decided to. So I really want to add those hanging plant pots in those corners that you can see. Yeah, I think it will give really good touch, and so I will use this. I still don't remember what it is called, but so here is a quick little tutorial of how to make this, and that tutorial is not even mine, so enjoy. Mine one turned out so city, it's literally tilted, not even straight. It looks good with dead plants though. I don't know how to feel about it because the plants are dead. So this is the result. I actually painted it only black, but then the white paint sprinkled over it while I was painting the wall. I kind of love this. My sis said that it looks like universe somehow. These are the other painting that I did in August. This one is my fave cause it almost looks real to me. So the main aim is to achieve these kind of mirror that I found on Pinterest. It's so antique and looks so pretty expensive. Obviously part of the reason is that I got obsessed with the similar ones that Ashley aka Best Dressed had, but I don't have enough money. What will I do? So I have to figure out a way what I can do. I found out these fancy sofas lying in our house for no reason. It was just rotting somewhere in the corner. Look at this. There are so many of them. So basically, I just thought to use this frame for this mirror. I mean, it will look great, I think. Whoa, it looks great. So right after that, I just did a few decor. Basically added clothes here and there, literally, and added curtain. I told you, it's just me adding clothes in the name of decoration. I was pretty confused where to put this mirror, but eventually figured it out. So see you after a few changes. Oh hi! Welcome to my room, where I eat, sleep, read, practically do everything that a normal human does, except pooping maybe. I should stop making poop jokes. Come on in! Missing you, more than you will ever know. I wonder now, why I let you go. The sun sets love this place a lot because I really need to become relaxed and release those stress out after editing the video for a really long time, and also acknowledging the fact that everyone is just watching it because they don't know what is going behind the scenes. So yeah, I put a lot of hard work and effort into each video, and then I expect a little bit too much from people because I think I deserve it, and sometimes I think I don't deserve it. It's just messed up. This place really helps me. Basically, I constantly bicker about every single worries and every single problem that I have in my life while talking to the mirror to myself. So to make this mirror, I was really inspired from Best Dressed Ashley. I was so in love with the mirror that she owned that I wanted a similar one. So when I saw this in the showpiece and I thought it was just lying around, why not use it? So I did this and it is a great result actually. I didn't even have to work a lot on this. Also at night, I keep watching outside the window while sitting here, and it looks really beautiful by watching all those lights. And then I feel really great that so I originally wanted to make a gallery wall in my room somewhere. That's why I painted a whole damn wall white. So this is a really tiny gallery wall version of what I imagined, but it still looks good. I love it. So the lamp that you see was originally under a doll. I know it's weird. Obviously, you don't need any kind of introduction. This is my bed where I get into my comfort zone. So I wanted it to be cozy, and I also wanted it to be a place where I can feel comfortable. I originally wanted to buy one big bed set, so I ordered in two color, but then I realized these both of these bed sets are actually made for a single bed. So I used both of them and made it into a color block. So basically I only bought three things, that is the wall paint, which cost me around 400. The bed sets cost me around 300. I bought it from Flipkart. And the light, which actually I don't consider into the budget because I bought it last year, but still so I crossed more than 700. Now this obviously is the place that you saw in my previous videos where I was dancing, jumping, literally showing off my skills by giving you a view of my supernatural powers. Obviously bearable to watch.